Welcome to 6369 Old Harbor Court in Gulf Breeze, Florida. Today I'm in the neighborhood of Lighthouse Pointe, and I wanted to give you a tour of our new listing that we have coming soon. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's just under 2,000 square feet. It's located on a cul-de-sac, and it resides on 0.57 acres, which also backs up to a nature preserve. So it's very peaceful back here. Again, on a cul-de-sac, no through traffic back here. So coming into the main living area, you can see we have beautiful oak hardwood floors throughout. A formal dining space on the right-hand side. Blinds throughout this home as well. Crown molding and 9-foot ceilings in the main living area. Over into the kitchen, we have Corian countertops, a breakfast bar, beautiful wood cabinetry, brand new stainless steel appliances, and a walk-in pantry. As you can see just off the kitchen, we have the laundry room with some additional storage that leads right into the garage. This home also has a brand new roof just added in December of 2019, so it's just 2 months old, not even. Just off the living space, you have the 4th bedroom. This would make for a wonderful office if you needed additional office space. It does have a closet as well, with some French doors opening right up into. Just down the hall here, we have the 2 additional bedrooms and additional bathroom as well. 2 closets in this room. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms and 2 in the main living area. The carpet has just been cleaned in this house as well, and the driveway and back deck have just been freshly pressure washed. So into your hall bath here, we have a shower tub combo. And into the 3rd bedroom here on the front side of the house. All right, now I'm going to take you into the master. This is a split floor plan, so you have a little bit of privacy with the master on the other side of the house. This is a large master. If you needed room for a nursery in here, if you have a new baby or you like a seating area or reading area in your bedroom, plenty of room for that in here. Tray ceilings as well, giving for even more of a spacious feel, but this is just a large master bedroom. We have a sizable master bath as well with a linen closet, double vanity here. We have a separate walk-in shower, a garden tub, and his and hers walk-in closets. Everybody has their own space in here. So nice size master suite in this home, for sure. All right, now I'm gonna take you out back. So the whole 0.57 acres here has not been cleared. So you have a designated backyard space, but again, it backs up to a preserve. I bet you see some incredible birds out here. It's just so peaceful. So here's the open deck that was just freshly pressure washed that I was mentioning earlier. All brick exterior on this home as well. Nice entertaining space back here. This neighborhood also has 2 neighborhood parks, and it has deeded water access. See the pictures for the dock and boardwalk walkover with gazebos and barbecue area, as well as a fire pit. I've included some pictures of that as well. We have a side gate over here that can fit a riding lawnmower if you choose to have a riding lawnmower. So let us know if you have any questions about this one, if you have anybody looking in the Gulf Breeze, Navarre area, or if you'd like to set up a private showing.